Hi everyone, I'm Yuan and welcome back again to CL Wednesday channel. Okay, today, remember the past couple of episodes, right? Share you about introduction to programming in Google Apps Script, okay? And then how to, start doing more useful thing in Google Apps Script. Okay, now what I can do today, right, I'm going to share with you about how you can, use a function, in Google Apps Script, okay? To use it something more useful, like maybe something mathematical. Let's say all these numbers here, right? Are they like prime numbers and so on? Okay, without further ado, right, I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, first, okay, you remember this code, right, from the last weekend, right? You will display all the will just do some simple arithmetic operation and output it there. So what happens, right, when you know okay, when you play this, right? Okay, right, let's see what happens. Okay, and okay, now let's check it. Okay, number one and so on. Okay, which is nice, okay, but it's not what you want. And besides, okay, this has been erased, so you need to do something else. Okay, first I'll change it back to is prime. Okay, okay, then I'll erase this. Now let's check this out. Okay, okay, look like we need to adjust the range. Okay, so A to A. Okay, A2 to A. Okay, and B2 to B. Why? Because you see, right, this is a formula reference, and we are simply telling you to start looking down from A and go all the way down onward to infinity and so on and so forth. Well, not really infinity, but row 101. Okay, we need more, you can always add more rows. Okay, I think the important thing here, okay, so you don't want to overwrite this, so you don't say B1, just say B2, okay, like what we see here. Okay, so okay, now let's see what happens again. Okay, let's play this, see what happens, and we're done. Ta-da! Oh, I mean, all very convenient. Okay, so let's say if we decide to, let's say, add something in. Okay, and then okay, play again one more time. Perfect. Okay, see, plus one. Okay, that's all very good. And this, but this is not really quite the result you expect is prime. Okay, it's just simple arithmetic operation to a plus one. I mean, it's quite pretty basic. So what we're going to do now? Okay, you're going to do something even more interesting. You're going to do a prime test. Okay, so hang on, let me get this. Okay, this is the function I've written. Okay, I mean a copy and paste lah, but modified. Okay, so as you can see, right, you have if I think you this one assumes, right, you know what a prime is. If you don't know what prime is, don't worry, you can always you need a refresher, can always check out the Google and see what prime is. Okay, now mind you, right, a prime number is basically a number that is only divisible by itself and by one. Yeah, so okay, so that's why we have this algorithm. Okay, this to tell you how it works. Right, so first thing, most obviously, we begin with the simple step, right? If let's say we begin with a placeholder value, okay, variable, okay. So let's say I equals to 2. Okay, first we input the number n, all right. Then after that we begin with something to divide, like this one, okay. Okay, follow me. So first thing first, check the basic input first, the lowest cases first. If n equals to 2, okay, then very obvious it's true. You don't need to waste any time. Okay, now this is a mathematical trick, right? Okay, that allows you to shortcut the number of tests that you need to do to find out whether it's a prime or not. Okay, I won't go into further details. Okay, just suffice to say that this reduces the number of times you try and test and divide and so on. Okay, so let's format it and make it look nicer. Okay, right, so you can see, right, the while loop, right, if let's say I is less than or equals to square root n, okay, then after that you will divide, you will divide, let's say, the number n, okay, you not really divide, but you use the modulus, okay. This is by the way called the modulus operator, which basically means return the remainder, okay. So so this one returns the remainder, okay, after division, alright. Okay, and the thing is that of course, for any have to be able to divide by this number I. So obviously it has to be the double equals means it is like the double equals means that it is equal. Yeah. Okay, but why? Well, okay, because you see, with the normal equal, right, it simply actually means to assign. Why? Okay, well, okay, because it's like that in this language, you know, the programming script in JavaScript to be precise. Okay, just say it like that. Okay, sorry, hey. Okay, but yeah, so anyway, so I can see, right, so if let's say n the n modulus I, okay, equal to 0, that means the whole thing can be divided, there's no remainder, which is good news, cause okay, then after increment I, okay, so I mean, if you need further explanation, you can always refer to this to Google. Okay, let's say how to divide. Okay, how, okay, algorithm. Okay, yeah, this one. Yeah, that's the one. You can check it out. Okay, at javadzone.com article algorithm weight blah blah blah. Okay, okay. So so no so shall not yeah, waste further time. Okay, so of course yeah. Okay, having said all that, right? Now what I want to do, right, is quite simple. Remember this, right? Okay, let's comment this out. Okay, which means that will not be included in execution. Copy and paste, and now do something called is prime value. Must end the semicolon. Okay, so value. All right. Okay, and now save this thing. Let's debug. Make sure there's no mistake. Okay, check. Okay, nothing. Oh, very good. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, first you see this the so fast. Oh, okay, right. First, okay, let's delete it. Okay, then one more time. Late. Yeah, I think that one applying but got autofill in because I press the debug. So look at debug not only checks the source code, actually runs the whole thing, but this one I just runs it straight without testing. Okay, so now let's see what is. Okay, is it prime? Yeah, obviously it's not prime. Okay, it's true. Yeah, I know it's true. 257 really is prime because I look it up somewhere. Okay, 412, correct? 371. Okay, technically speaking, we all know that one is not a prime, but I mean, shall not bother too much about this. Okay, just to keep things simple. Okay, if it really bothers you, then don't use one. Alright, maybe use something like something else lah. Okay, so like 2007 for, wow, that's a big number, and yet able to find out whether it's a prime. My gosh, I think I just found. I really got to make sure that this is a very big prime number. Hey, that's not bad. Yeah, so I think that's one of the fun thing about Google's, I mean, spreadsheet. That you can really use it to do even more interesting thing. You can yeah, maybe you can even get it to do like maybe 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, and all the way down. You probably can use it to find the 1 million prime or something. Yeah, okay, so right, so okay, I think that's about it. Okay, so happy exploring around Google Apps Script. Okay, right, so okay, thanks and see you around. Take care.